All right, you guys, I'm coming at you live from my guest bathroom. And that is because we're gonna do an experiment today so you guys can see the rainbow. I haven't done it yet, so I'm doing it for the first time right now too, so you guys can see step by step. All right, what you will need is a piece of white paper. If you have thicker cardstock, that might be better. But a piece of white paper, a glass, a mirror, some scissors to cut your paper, and some tape to hold the paper to the glass. So, this is what you need. Glass, mirror, scissors, tape, paper, all right? Everyone probably has all of these supplies at their house, which is why I chose this experiment, because I think all of you will be able to do it if you choose to. So, we're gonna go step by step. Oh, I forgot an important thing that you will need is a flashlight. You will need a flashlight. My bad, I forgot to include that. So, step one is to fill the glass with water. Did that. Fill my glass with water. Put it back here so you can see. All right, now I'm going to stand up so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to cut this piece of paper in half. All right, and just because I have a small glass and I'm going to have to tape this on, I'm going to cut this piece one more time. So with this small piece of paper that's going to go on your glass, you're going to cut a narrow rectangle in the middle of this piece of paper. All right, so to do that, all right, here's my piece of paper. I'm gonna fold it. All right, do cut here, turn my scissors, cut, 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 and cut off that part. See how I made a little narrow strip, okay? Look, now I have a narrow rectangle. All right, that was step two. Step three is to stick this on your paper. You know what? I did grab a short glass, so just doing some adjustments. You're supposed to stick this on your glass so that the slit that we made is at the center. So that's why I trimmed off the bottom of my paper. So I'm gonna tape this on with some tape. All right, here we go. One and two. Okay. Step number 4 is to place the other piece of paper on the other side of the glass. So here's this piece of paper on this side. I'm going to put this paper on this side. Okay. And then it says in a pitch dark room, so that means all dark, no windows. That's why I chose the bathroom. So try to do this in a room in your house that's dark. If a bathroom's probably the best place, but if it does have a window, try to do a window that's got a curtain so you can kind of block off as much light as you can. So step 5, in a dark room, I'm going to point the flashlight at this slit on this side. And I'm gonna slowly move the flashlight farther and farther from the glass, and you should be able to see a rainbow on this paper, okay? So I'm gonna close my computer so it's dark. turn off the lights. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm so sorry. You do not need a mirror. Forget the mirror. Don't need it. All right. So, close my paper. My laptop. I was getting a different experiment confused with this one. So I'm gonna turn my lights off. It's gonna get dark. Here we go. Nice and dark. I'm gonna turn my flashlight on and see if I can see any rainbow colors. Oh, I see a little bit. All right, let me show you guys a little bit that I can see. I see a little bit of rainbow going on. It's very small, but there it is, kind of towards the end of the paper. All right. I'm curious. I'm going to turn my light back on now. I am curious if you guys could maybe get that to work a little better than mine did. I'll try it again on the floor. I'm wondering if my reflection from the mirror is kind of ruining it, but I'll try it again on the floor so my flashlight isn't reflecting off the mirror. And I'll post a picture if that works. So try this experiment at home and see if you can make your own rainbow.